name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise are due to Allah, the Lord of mankind. May the peace and blessing of Allah be often to His noble prophet, the best of mankind, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all his followers and his household companions and those who follow his path till the end of resurrection. Wabat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And good morning, gentlemen, ladies, and the press media. I'm here to present a press conference by the Jama'atu Shababal Islam Bauchi, a call on the Inspector General of Police IGP to intervene and enforce law and order towards the defense of the Constitution and rule of law against a brazen negation of the principle of due process and rule of law by the judge Tanimu Turaki of the Sharia Court 1, Bauchi. With absolute humanity and respect, it is rather the great concern and disappointment that this association is here again to present another press release with a special emphasis on call to the Inspector General of Police to enforce law and order as regard to the case of Bauchi State Government against our scholar Imam Dr. Idris Abdul'aziz Bauchi in Sharia Court 1, Bauchi State. As part of our responsibility of ensuring peaceful coexisting among the good people of Bauchi State and the country at large, and indeed, above all strongly salvaguards the fundamental human rights of our revered scholar Dr. Idris Abdul'aziz. The public and indeed the Inspector General of Police IGP may wish to be reminded of the following legal steps taken by this association in the past as part of our effort to bring the matter to an end. Number 1, we addressed the press conference on 7th of May 2023 and therein called the different stakeholders in the matter, including the state government, the police, and all the section of the stake of ulama, and provide solution and proper solution and way forward. Number 2, we wrote a petition to the National Judicial Council NGC on the matter on 24th May 2023. As the matter continues to linger with the obvious sign of the use of extrajudiciary, we wrote an awful letter to Mr. President on the 13th November 2023. Number 4, as if the Bauchi State Government is paying the Tanimu Turaki, judge of the Sharia Court, for his heritage man job to nominate him as Qadi of Sharia Court, and we protest against his nomination to the National Judicial Council NGC on 1st December 2023. As we are eagerly waiting for the result of our petition and protests, which are essential, bordered on impunity and the flagrant abusing of judiciary power by the government and negation of the principle of the due process and rule of law by the judge. Then he went ahead with the matter and has been held on 3 January 2024 and yesterday being Wednesday 17 January 2024. Part of the purported judgment of the judge yesterday was an issue of the purported bench warrant for the police to arrest our revered scholar Dr. Idris Abdul'aziz. This organization understands and believes that judiciary is the last hope of the common man, but it was abuses that persisting of Judge Tanimu Turaki to continue with this matter, even when the matter was appealed to a superior court is an impunity and flagrant disobeying to the rule of law. The Bauchi State Police Command and Commissioner of Police need to be commended for their neutrality through the matter. However, our call here for the Inspector General of Police (IGP) to immediately investigate the matter and order the Bauchi State Commissioner of Police to maintain law and order as regard to the matter and continue to remain neutral. Alhamdulillah wa akhiru ala da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.